Hey folks, we're coming to you live again from our McAllen newsroom tonight, where we'll be for the foreseeable future as we continue to put space between us and everybody around us and what we all should be doing. We're trying to practice that here at Channel 5 as well. So find a way and get it done, right? Well, it's been hot across the valley today. Look at this, Rio Grande City reporting 104 degrees this afternoon. And then much cooler as you make your way toward the coast, only about 75 at South Padre Island. So it's been a hot day across the valley, but it's also been relatively windy. Let's go to it and take a look at it. If you check the wind gusts this last hour, they're still running about 30 miles an hour as an average. Now, we had the wind advisory expired at 6 o'clock, but it's still windy out there, and it's going to be windy out there, I think, through the evening hours. Then it'll die down, and then tomorrow kind of pop back up again. This is Future Track. Says by 1 o'clock in the morning, we're still looking at 14 to 15 mile an hour winds. That's not bad. You know, for middle of the night, that's a pretty good breeze, but, you know, it's not terrible. By the time you get to 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're back up around 20 again, and these are gusts. And say by tomorrow afternoon, still holding around 20, so it's going to be a breezy day again tomorrow. Maybe not quite as windy as today, but certainly a breezy day. So, of course, you know that brings out our trash can forecast, and our trash can tomorrow will probably tip over again, unless it's full like mine, but all that garage stuff we threw away this weekend. But by the time you get to tomorrow afternoon, gusts to about 30, and it'll slide maybe just a little bit, but not much. So yes, windy, but probably not as bad as today. Tomorrow's highs are back in the 90s, probably maybe 3 or 4 degrees cooler than today, but still a very warm day across the area. So it's still hot again. And if you look at the next 3 days, I think Saturday's pretty hot again. We're kind of pushing the front back just a little bit. It's still coming, but probably late Saturday, and then the cooler weather, slightly cooler weather, comes in on Sunday. Notice about 83 degrees. Now, your rain chances, we are throwing a chance in there on Saturday and especially on Sunday. The chances on Saturday are with our cool front. The chances on Sunday are as moisture kind of builds back in as that front is just down to the south of us. Now, today, no moisture. That's a satellite image that has not a single cloud on it. So let's zoom back and look at the rest of Texas. We are beginning to see changes. You know, we talked about that big ridge. We've been showing you that red blob all week. Well, that's finally breaking down, allowing a front that's out in Albuquerque right now to make its way toward the valley. So here it comes. Front's not here tomorrow, so we're still hot and windy again, 90s. But let's go to Saturday. Still hot, still breezy much of the day, mainly dry. Could be a brief shower with the front, but I think our better chance for showers again shows up on Sunday behind the front. Not a lot, only about a 30% probability, but then the moisture moves out behind that. So as far as the weekend goes, here's what we're expecting. A warm day Saturday, but a much cooler day on Sunday by about 10 degrees with spotty showers around. So for tonight, 73 with the breeze kind of dying down. Watch out for patchy fog later on. Then tomorrow, we're back to 93. Mostly sunny skies during the afternoon after some morning clouds burn off. South to southeast winds 15 to 25 with gusts to 30. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and notice we cool it off a little Saturday, Sunday especially, bring it back on Monday, and then Tuesday we're back to 90, but only 90, not 100, only 90. And then Wednesday, Thursday, we dry the air out a little bit, make it a little bit cooler, 83 on Wednesday, 85 on Thursday, with lows mainly in the 60s. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.